Hey everyone, it's Daniel again, just here to answer another question on our how to adjust the humidity level on your Resmed Airsense 11. So you'll see here, this person said it's not that cut and dry. Try explaining what to do when you have zero option to change the humidity. Now, a lot of people have this question as well. They're saying that when you go to My Options and then you go to the humidity, they're not able to change it. The problem is it's because your machine is most likely set to the automatic humidity mode. So to be able to change these options, you need to click on My Options, and then from there, scroll your machine to Climate Control, where you can switch the machine from automatic humidity to manual humidity. And that's where you can get that manual adjustment there. And you can also adjust the tube temperature as well there to your preference. But make sure your tubing is connected to your machine for these options to appear. So it's as simple as that. Go to My Options, go to Climate Control, and switch your machine from automatic humidity to manual. And then you can go back to your home screen, click My Options again, and then you should be able to adjust the humidity level here to your desired preference. I hope that answers your question. Sorry for the confusion, everybody. This was an oversight on our behalf, and I do apologize for that. But I hope you can adjust this. I hope this video makes sense, and that you get the sleep you deserve. Hope you have a good day.